Is it a matter of skill or is it will? When a team member isn't meeting your expectations as a leader, is it a matter of skill or is it a problem of will, that is motivation? Knowing whether the gap in performance is a skills problem or a motivation problem helps you as a leader to choose the most effective solution. If it turns out to be a skill issue, that is, the employee isn't capable to perform the job task to the desired level of safety, quality, and productivity, then you're going to use more of a training and coaching solution. In that case, you're going to provide retraining and possibly checklists, work instructions, pictures, and samples so the team member can remember how to do the job. Remember that you can always refer back to our Leader Feeder blog posts where we talked more about the 6 steps to more effective on-the-job training at uniquedevelopment.com/blog. When the problem is a matter of will, the employee can do the job, they just aren't motivated to do it well consistently. In that case, you as a leader can help create a motivational environment by communicating how the job contributes to the bigger picture, providing positive feedback as their performance improves, and adding some variety to the work, and then showing your personal attention to them as a team member so that they feel that they're a valuable member of your team. When you as a leader give up on an employee, it becomes very difficult for the team member to stay motivated and want to give you their best. So, as a leader, figure out, is it a skills issue or is it a motivation issue? And then choose your solution set accordingly. By addressing those kinds of employee performance issues, you'll raise the output of your department and make your job as a leader easier. Once you've mastered the art of telling the difference between skill and will and applying the proper solution, you're going to want to improve your leadership skills further. Remember, you can get your free copy of What Great Supervisors Know by visiting us on our website at uniquedevelopment.com. That will get you the ebook version. If you look at it and think it's a good resource, maybe your organization can buy multiple copies for the people at your site. We can also provide on-site learning for your team, or have you send people to our public workshop, or you can tap into our online resources to improve your leadership skills. Remember to connect with us on social media at LinkedIn, Twitter, and also on Facebook. You can search us out at Frontline Leader.